And now I am at 7-Eleven with my son. Hi guys. Again, because I don't know what happened. My recording just randomly stopped, so. Alright. Well, anyways, I got a trusty gun. Just in case if someone tries to murder me, like. I don't know why I just wasted a little bit of ammo. How much ammo do I? Let's stack up on some ammo real quick. There we go. So now I could just get back to Glamrock Freddy because I spawned both you guys in because the last time we made a video together, you died and I hit you with a frying pan. So I'm back and there's 2 frying pans stacked on. Gregory. Okay, you know what? Let's just get into it. Going to recreate something I bet you guys did as kids. Well, this is what I'm recreating. Alright, this is what you get. Oh, no, bitch. Gregory. Come on, we're gonna go down to the basement. Glamrock, you stay here. Ooh. Gregory, if you make any silly movements, then you're gonna get shot. But that's never gonna happen. Oh, that's a little concerning. Gregory, do the honors. Oi! Oi! Oh my God! Where did you guys all come from? No, seriously, where'd you guys all come from? Gregory! Gregory, what I just experienced. Come on, we're going back. I'm never doing that again, Gregory. How dare you? Hi, Gregory. What? Oh. I think you guys all know what I'm going with this. Alright, off camera, Gregory got into a little bit of funny business. Gregory, can you please take those plungers off your head? They belong to the store. Okay? Now, yeah. Oh, don't knock over the place! He knocked over the PlayStations. Bad boy. Go hang out with Glamrock over there. Yeah.
I'm too big.
You are not too big. Shut up. You want this? No, I want it. I want it. You want alcohol, Gregory? Gregory, this is bad for you. Hold on. Let me show you how bad it is. Like, it'll kill Glamrock Freddy. Watch. Oh.
You are my superstar.
Gregory, should I hide the body? Alright, Gregory, I put him in a spot that is barely noticeable. I'm gonna go show you it. Oh, that noticeable? See, he's totally not noticeable. Should I go this way? I'm scared. I don't know. Hey! Don't make any funny business. I got a gun. Alright, Gregory, we're just gonna get some Baba Bites and make a run for it. Go.